Yeah, Ashley, from books to keeping books, Patricia,
Yes.
have you filed your 2025 tax?
Don't ask me that question. I think, yes, I did.
Well, regardless, the April 15th deadline
the
April 15th deadline is approaching, of course, folks. And here today, we have an expert that's going to give us some very top-notch tips that's going to help families and businesses keep their hard-earned money, like the Welcome to Living 757, Charlene Muniz.
Yes. Thank you for having me.
I love it.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you. So I'm just going to get right to it. How many other people other than me came out on the positive side in 2025 taxes? Because for the first time in 3 years, I didn't have to owe any taxes because of you.
Yes.
Thank you.
This was an amazing tax year, to say
Yes.
the least. A lot of people benefited from this tax year.
Wow.
Like you said yourself, you definitely saw a difference from the last 3 years to this year, and where you were able to receive something back.
Yeah, because it's like running a business, and then you got to put that business, either income or profit or losses with your personal. And I have been getting hit every year, but you gave me some really good tips, and it helped me out. So I appreciate you.
That is amazing,
My
Quincy.
pockets appreciate
He didn't pay
Yes.
nothing. Ooh, we need to call Charlene. Now, taxes can be a little bit intimidating and also a little bit boring for some people, not for everybody. But we want to keep talking about this amazing topic, but we're going to play a little game, true or false.
Oh, boy.
We're going to put some questions on the screen, and we're going to read it now. So you can have to tell us if we are true or we are not true with the answers. You ready?
So the first one,
Yes.
you do not have to pay taxes on tips. False.
Well, let's say it's not necessarily false or true. For this tax year, we have had it that now, people that are in the service industry, which is majority 7 area, are able to deduct up to $25,000 in their tax, in the tips they receive. And so they don't have to pay that much taxes on the tips that they receive.
And this is something new that happened now in 2026, right?
Yes, this has been something needed. This industry works very hard, and they receive tips, and now they're being taxed appropriately, not too much.
I love it.
All right,
So
let's get to the next
question. Yes. Let's do the next one. So true or false? You do not have to pay taxes on overtime income.
Oh, true. That's got to be true.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Right,
It's
show
got
me
to be
your-
true.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is
yeah.
true?
So,
Okay, I got it wrong.
and that's true. Why?
And it's mainly true because we have the blue collar workers that work a lot of overtime. And those are the ones that mainly benefit from this. They work a lot of overtime, so they allow them to have a $25,000 deduction off of that overtime, allowing them to see more of their money coming back to them.
That is amazing.
Nice. All right, let's squeeze in another one here.
Next.
Let me see. True or false? Senior 65 plus receive an extra $20,000 in deductions. I'm not a senior, but I wish I was. Is that true?
So if that was the case, I would love it too. That is not the case.
Oh, really?
The deduction is only for $6,000 per senior
But 20
citizen.
is a great number.
Oh yeah, yes, I would love that too. But it's actually for a senior citizen 65 and older, and they have a $6,000 additional deduction apart from their standard itemized.
Oh my gosh.
So I got to throw this in there. So something that parents of children, especially, like me as well, like my daughter is 16, and you gave us some important news about the new news when they turn 17. Can you quickly share that?
Yes, as you transition and now your children become, young adults, after the age of 17, they can't be claimed as a child no more. It is 17 and on. It will be a dependent credit, which makes a huge difference on a tax return.
Okay.
You're talking about $2,200 to $500. As a credit. It's a huge change. So a lot of parents, I like to help them transition into that. And I, ahead of time, 2 years ahead of time, get them prepared. Say, hey, this is what's to come in the future.
Yeah,
Great
that
news.
is a good way. I think we have a time for one more true
let's
false.
do one more true false.
Charlene, true or false? The deadline for the business and individual tax filings is April 15. True or false?
That's false. That's false.
Okay, you guys are trying to trick me. I see it. So it is.
Oh, no.
Yes, well, it's for the personal business, for the personal taxes, it's April 15th. For businesses, it's March 16th, which is right around the corner.
Okay.
So now that you just mentioned, this is not just about taxes, you also have bookkeeping, you have more services in your offices.
Yes.
Where can people find you?
Well, we are located in Summit Point and Chesapeake. here at 555 Bel Air Avenue, Suite 210. And
Now, for those that don't know yet, she speaks Spanish. So if you have to invite our Latin community here in the 757 area, what will be the message?
bienvenidos a mi oficina. Estamos ahí para ayudar a la comunidad latina.
There you go. She just say, welcome to my office, and we are very happy to help you here in the community, Latin community. Thank you so much, Oli. I love it. Pude decir algo en español. Me encanta.
Awesome.
Yes. Well, now, thank you so much for being today with us here in Living 757. We're going to keep calling you for taxes for
Yes.
sure. Now, we have to go to a quick commercial break, but when we come back, we have a comedian that is going to put you in the game. Don't go anywhere.
In the
Yes, in the game.
This segment is brought to you by A&A Bilingual Tax Services, helping families and businesses keep their hard-earned money.
A&A Bilingual Tax Services, ayudando a familias y negocios a conservar el dinero que tanto les ha costado ganar.